You know what's crazy? This UGC ad got millions of views and was 100% created by AI. I analyzed tons of these viral AI ads and figured out exactly how they're making them. A traditional UGC is a total nightmare. Creators charging hundreds, taking forever to deliver, and half the time they don't even understand how to sell. But with this AI method, you can actually crank out professional UGC ads in minutes that says exactly what you want, look how you want, and converts like crazy. I actually know a few business owners who use this method and they saw their profit margin jump by like 60%. And seriously, it's so much easier than you might think. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to find viral products, how to write scripts that actually sells your products, and how to make AI UGC ads that look so real people can't tell they're not actual humans. So let's jump right in. The secret to creating AI UGC ads start with finding the right product, and Kalodata is your gold mine for this. They have like a 7-day free trial, and when you log in, you'll see trending products that are already performing well on platforms like TikTok Shop and Amazon. You can also see how many revenue they've generated in the past month and all their key metrics. Let me show you how I use it. What I would do is head over to the product section and find the viral product. For example, I found this tea powder that has gone absolutely viral on TikTok and sold almost 100,000 items in the past month. This product is actually solving a real pain point for people who want to lose belly fat. And Kalodata helps you identify viral products super fast, saving you from testing products that won't convert. Okay, now that we have identified our viral product, it's time to write a killer script for our UGC video. I'm going to use Poppy AI for this, and hands down is the best AI tool that I've found for writing scripts, and nothing else even come close. I actually have a discount code if you want to try it. I'll drop that in the description. And I recently made a tutorial showing exactly how to use it too, so I'll link that right up here if you want to check it out. Now, what I'm going to do first is to create a text file. Then I'll head over to Kalodata, hover over some top videos, grab their script, and paste them into this text file. You can repeat this with as many videos as you like. What we are doing here is basically feeding Poppy videos that are already proven to convert. I'll just create a group and name it top performing videos. Then I'll put all of these scripts in the group, connect it to AI chat, and ask it to analyze the top performing videos and write a 30-second UGC ad script for Yerba Magic Tea using the AIDA framework. AIDA actually means attention, interest, desire, and action. It's a sales psychology framework. Make sure it sounds organic and not like an ad. And boom, like literally seconds later, we've got a professional script. You can tweak this however you want or just ask it to revise it until it's exactly what you're looking for. Now that we have our script ready, it's time to bring it to life using Arc Ads. This is honestly one of the most powerful AI tools I found for creating UGC content that actually looks exactly like humans. So let's head over to Arc Ads and press on get your first video ad generated. If you don't have an account yet, just click the link in the description to create one. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Let's create a new project by clicking on new project right here. I'm gonna name this one Yerba Magic since that's the product we are promoting. Now we're ready to create our first AI UGC video. I've already got my script ready, so I'll just paste it right here. The next step is choosing our AI actor. Press on add actors. They have tons of realistic looking actors to choose from. On the left side, you can filter by gender, age, situation, or even the accessories they're holding. For our tea powder, I want to target women who are dealing with belly fat, so I'm gonna filter for female actors. You can hover over any actor to preview how they sound. Let's listen to a few examples.
Tap any script you think will perform, pick some actors.
Hey you, welcome to Arcads.
Hey you, welcome to Arc.
Hey you, welcome.
By the way, in a minute, I'm going to show you a special voice setting that makes these AI actors sounds way more natural. I'm just going to add another filter for actors holding a cup or some kind of drink. This one is pretty good. I'm going to select this one. Click add actor, and now you can preview how your script will sound. This is super important because you want to make sure they're pronouncing everything correctly before generating the final video, because it's going to cost us 1 credit to generate each of these videos, so we don't want to waste them. Let's listen to this one.
The hot girls weren't lying when they called this mate tea powder nature's magic. I was skeptical about this Yerba Magic tea everyone's been
Not bad.
posting
We
about.
can make it way better. If you're not happy with how it sounds, Arc Ads gives you some cool options to adjust the voice. You can change the speed, stability, and even add some style exaggeration to make it sound more emotional. For example, if I think she's talking too fast, I can just slide this down to about 0.9, or if I want more emotion, I can increase the style exaggeration to 0.20. For now, let's just stick to the original one. Here's a secret setting, I promise. If you put some of the words you want to emphasize in all caps, it actually makes the actor sounds a lot more real. Let's listen to this one now.
The hot girls weren't lying when they called this mate tea powder nature's magic. I was skeptical about this Yerba Magic tea everyone's been posting about.
Awesome, this is actually great. Once you're happy with how everything sounds, just click on this arrow button and generate video. I'll get back once it's ready. Okay, so our video is ready. This actually took around 5 to 6 minutes, so let me show you what it looks like.
The hot girls weren't lying when they called this mate tea powder nature's magic. I was skeptical about this Yerba Magic tea everyone's everyone's been posting about, but when my jeans wouldn't button last month, I finally caved and tried it.
This actually looks super realistic, and the crazy thing is the entire process took less than like 20 minutes. Traditional UGC creators charge anywhere from $100 to $250 per video, but now you can create 10 AI videos per month at a fraction of the cost. Plus, you have complete control over what they say and how they say it. Now you can just click the download button in the corner to save them to your computer. The next step is to make it look polished. You can use CapCut or any editor you like, just clean it up a little bit and add some b-roll, few shots of your product, and throw in some caption to make it easier to follow. It doesn't have to be super fancy, just enough to make it feel real and engaging, like those native TikTok videos you see. I actually made a video where I created an AI UGC ad for a TikTok shop affiliate program, and in that video I showed exactly how I edit my videos step by step. So if you want to learn how to do that, you can just click on the screen right here. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can make these AI avatars actually hold your product. So stay tuned for that one and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. Anyways, I really appreciate you watching this video. Hope it helped you out and give you some solid ideas on how to use AI for your ad creatives. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.